What keeps leaders from abusing power, men or the law? The answer is the rule of law. The rule of law means no one is above the law, not even presidents or kings. It ensures equality before the courts and protects everyone's rights fairly. But law must also be clear. That's where legal certainty comes in. People should know what the law is, so they can plan their actions. If laws change every day, justice collapses. Rule of law gives fairness. Legal certainty gives stability. Together, they make justice something you can trust. Without them, law is just words. With them, law is justice. Which do you think is more important, fairness or predictability? If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button to show your support. And share this with your friends to spread the love. Together, we can grow this amazing community. Your engagement means the world to us.